Homies vlog. Woo! Guys, we're going on a trip to Christchurch to do a concert for Kaitlyn Rodley herself. No, with Kaitlyn Rodley.
Yeah, just for her. So the car's pretty full. Bass, keyboard, equipment, mixer, everything.
And we're gonna meet Hamish and Carla and Regan on the road again. We can't wait to get you on the road again. Sing it, Jed. We're in Christchurch and we're gonna go pick up Jedidiah. We found Regan. Yay! Just 3 amigos in a car. Here it is. We're gonna stay in this building. Woo!
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Ease.
Kaitlyn Rodley is releasing an EP on Saturday and she's doing a performance.
So we're gonna be here for 3 days.
Do you want
A house tour?
Absolutely.
Come on in. Let me show you around. First off, bathroom. Secondly, this amazing kitchen. And it's cooking some food. Ta-da! We have a Regan.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Regan from Home Sweet Homies.
Regan from Home Sweet Homies?
There's a TV. We got a whole television for ourselves.
Come, join me. And now, it's time
To face your nightmares, Joy.
Oh. And here are the bedrooms. Hamish and Carla are gonna be in this room.
Their own bias room.
Come around. Here's a bedroom, specifically my own. Here's a bedroom. Here's a bedroom. Guys, there's something amazing in here.
A heater.
Wait, I thought I heard Regan go into a cupboard. Oh no, he's in the shower.
There you go.
Oh, guys, and here's the bathroom. Dinner time! Shout out to my grandma and her pasty recipe.
Thank you very much.
It is now day 2.
Hello.
It's Regan. What are you making, Regan?
Jed has his own coffee brand if you didn't already know.
Yes, Jed does.
That's what I live on.
In a bar. So we're very excited. Hamish and Carla coming today. Guys, look who's here. Look who I've got. KMR, the one and only. Who's having her own concert tomorrow. Wait, this is not the right way. We're going the wrong way.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, phone's on the road, bad idea. Okay, we're back. And we're going to, where are we going, KMR?
We're going to the outlet mall to get bargains.
Going to Dressmart to get the bargains. We're just gonna have a grand old time.
Yeah, it's girls only.
Girls only.
The girls and the homies are the best.
The girl, yeah, this is a fact for anyone watching.
Yeah,
the girls and the homies are the best.
Not biased at all.
Not
but
biased at all.
definitely biased.
And like honestly, we keep the band going. Ham is here.
I made it!
You made it. Ham, can you tell everyone what time you made it?
We may have rolled in at like 12 o'clock. Sleep by like 12:30. It was a big drive down.
What is happening today, Ham?
I'm gonna hit things.
You ready, Regan? Yeah. This is our first ever like sit down concert. There it is. We're gonna play there tonight. This guy just let us in.
Here
It's
we go.
happening.
Let's have a first look.
We made it. Oh yes. We are setting up some mats. We're gonna get it all set up and ready for the performance. This is the green room. You can view the stage from the green room.
I'm gonna be right there.
What? Like right there? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so good, pumped, excited, all of the above.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of energy.
It's actually happening. Kaitlyn is having a debut EP concert
Praise the
tonight.
Until I see your face again. To rely on you is worth it. Can't do it in my own strength.
Rehearsals are done and now we're just eating sushi.
Delicious.
Tonight. It is happening, guys. Got the stickers, got the CDs, got the posters.
It is 6:12. Doors open at 6:30. Time is ticking.
We're just waiting. We're just waiting. Fit check.
Nice. That looks cool. That's a cool vibe.
Fits the vibe. Very good.
Now in the harvest, my soul you reap. Dying and living in the dichotomy of the violent type love as it crucifies me. I've seen you driving your car too fast, always trying to be ahead. So I come back to you, seeking out the truth. Feel my heart beating faster and faster. You are the reason why, you're my whole life.
Guys,
We did it.
we did it! Woo! And we had so much fun doing it.
So much fun.
If you guys were there live for the concert, thank you so much for
Thank
the
you for
support.
coming along.
dancing with you.
Yeah, it was so great. That is goodbye
God bless.
for tonight for the Home Sweet Homies.
Till next time.
Till next time, till the
When are we
next
gonna be back
concert.
next?
Where are we gonna go?
We're gonna do it again. We're gonna be in your city.
No way!